Once you're signed into your webspacegeeks.com account, we need to activate an email forwarding block for a domain. So the first thing you want to do is go to email accounts and go to my email account. And we want to go down here to workspace email. And what we want to do is go ahead and hit setup for a 100 email forwarding pack, which is free with every domain that you register. So we click on setup and we want to choose the domain. Now in my case, I'm going to choose jeremyoutdoors.com and we're going to hit setup. And it's going to add that product to it. Now, sometimes it may take a couple of minutes, but usually it happens almost instantly. All right. So after we do that, we want to go back up to domains, and I'm going to find the jeremyoutdoors.com domain. And we're going to take a look over here, and you'll see email over on the right, ready for activation. So we're going to hit activate. And we're not really worried about creating an email account. What we want to do is create a forward. So we're going to click here on create forward. And we want to set this up for the free forwarding for jeremyoutdoors.com in my example here. And I want to forward an email address. So let's say that somebody's going to email to Jeremy at jeremyoutdoors.com. We're going to redirect this email to Rex at SmarterGeek.com. And notice it says you can separate addresses with commas, so you could actually forward it to multiple addresses. All right. If we did a catch-all, that means that anything to whatever at jeremyoutdoors.com would be forwarded to that. But I'm not worried about that right now, so I'm going to hit create. That's going to create the email forward. And once it creates the forward, you'll see it listed here. Now the second part to this is we need to be able to send this from my existing email account, which is Rex at SmarterGeek.com and powered by Google. So I'm assuming that you're using Google for your email. So what you want to do is sign into your primary email account, and I'm going to click on the settings button, and let's go down to settings, and we're going to go to accounts, and what we want to do is add another email address that you own, and in this case we're going to make it Jeremy at jeremyoutdoors.com, and I'm just for the heck of it, I'm just going to change the display name here. Doesn't really matter in this case. We're going to leave it as treat as an alias. So we're going to hit next step. Now this is one little trick because it's going to want to route it out through an already existing email account. So in this case I'm going to change this to smtp.gmail.com. In other words, I'm going to route it out through my existing Google-powered Rex at SmarterGeek.com to get the Jeremy at jeremyoutdoors.com out. And so our username is actually going to be, in this case, Rex at SmarterGeek.com. I have to have a way to authenticate this. And then you're going to put in your standard email password, and we're going to hit add account. So let's hit add account. Now, it's going to send an email to Jeremy at jeremyoutdoors.com to verify that we have access to that email account domain. And look, if I check my inbox, now I've got the email. So I'm going to take that confirmation code and I'm going to paste it in, and that tells Google, yes, I've got control of that domain. I've got access for that email to be able to forward it over, and so I hit verify. And that's it. Now, if somebody sends an email to Jeremy at jeremyoutdoors.com, it's automatically going to come into my inbox. And just to prove that, let me sign in to another one of my Gmail accounts, and we're going to test this out. Alright, so I'm signed into one of my just actual Gmail accounts, and I'm going to send an email from this account to Jeremy at jeremyoutdoors.com, and we're going to test the forwarding. Alright, and I'm just putting a message, this is a test. Let's send it out. Now, I'm going to flip back over to my Rex at SmarterGeek.com. And looky here, there it is. See, this is actually going to Jeremy at Jeremy Outdoors. Now, I'm going to reply to that email, which is going to go back to my Gmail, so bear with me. I'm doing a little testing here of forwarding. In this case, I'm going to assign it Jeremy just for our little example. And if we click and take a look, it's going to look like it's coming from Jeremy at Jeremy Outdoors when I send this. So I'm going to go ahead and send it. Now I'm going to flip back over to my Gmail account. And when I flip back over here to my Gmail account, there's my reply right there. Okay? And that's pretty much how you do it.